Okay, guys, let's see what is waiting for us in the second week of December. This is a general reading for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and we are going to see what is waiting for us. Please ignore the background noises. I'm actually traveling, so okay. Let's see what is in store for Pisces for the second half of December. Love and career. Pisces, second half of December. Love and career. Second half of December. Love and career. Okay. So we have Eight of Cups, Five of Pentacles, Two of Swords, Four of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, the Emperor. Okay. So keep in mind that this is more of a career read and not a love reading. So for some of you this might be a love situation. For most of you this is a career reading. So if you don't want if you're not interested in career reading, then this is not a reading for you. And I can see that there is emotional fulfillment, but that emotional fulfillment is with respect to your career. For some of you, you are looking for a job right now and you do not have any opportunity right in front of you. And I think some of you were you guys lost your job not because you wanted to leave it, but because of some other reasons. Maybe there was a layoff or retrenchment or anything like that. And you have been trying to score one, and you are looking for multiple options. You're trying different paths, and you are trying to get a job, and you were working hard for that. And in the second half of December, we have the Emperor, and in the shadow we have Ten of Cups, which means that soon, and hopefully in the second half of December itself, you are going to get the dream job. And because we have not just the Emperor, because this is some supervisory or managerial role that you're getting. And we have Ten of Cups and Eight of Cups, which means that this job will also prove to be an emotional fulfillment for you. And maybe for those of you who were thinking to get financially stable in order to start a family, you might get this opportunity in the second half of December. This job will actually not only help you in financial fulfillment, but also emotional and familial fulfillment. And you might get this opportunity. It's a very very good sign. We have the Empress and the Emperor. Okay, so I guess this finance related problem that you are having, Pisces, right now is related to your love life as well. So for some of you this might be a situation where, because of your financial dependency on some other person, maybe your partner or your family, or maybe you do not have financial resources, so that was creating a lot of chaos in your relationship as well. So in the second half of December, I can see that your financial aspect of your life is going to be very stable and very fulfilling, which will eventually help you to get in a very stable and family kind of a relationship. I think you guys are planning to marry someone, or planning to propose someone, but you were holding yourself back because you had some money issues, or maybe the person that you're dealing with, they might be having some money issues, and that is why you were holding yourself back. But in the second half of December, I can see that surely you are going to get that job that you have been looking for, which will not only help you with the money, but also help you to start your dream family that you've been looking for. We have the Empress here, we have Ten of Cups, so your partner is going to support you in this effort. I can see that for very few of you this might be a situation where your partner is pregnant, and that's why you're worried about the finances. And if that is the case, you already have a job, you are worried about the finances because you are about to start a family, and your current job or business or whatever thing that you're doing in order to take care of your finances is not serving the purpose, then you are going to get a raise, or you are going to get a lot of monetary abundance from and that is not something very it is not going, some miracle is not going to happen. You have already worked very hard for it, you were working hard for this, and your hard work is going to pay for that. Okay, your hard work is going to pay for this. And I can see that the second half of December, it's all about happiness, not because uh, you know something, some magic happened, only because you are working hard and you are going to finally have that fruit. And this financial abundance will fill it's going to fill your life, your emotional life, with the happiness and completeness. And for some of you, this might be a sign to start a family, and if you are planning to do so, then second half of December is the time which is going to give you ample of opportunity to have that. Okay, Pisces, it's a very beautiful reading.